That's our first song. This does to get you all in. Everybody come in, please. It's cold outside, and here it's warm, and here is beer and water and the Harries. We're the HARRIES'89 from the Netherlands, and we are very happy to play for you. Sometimes we're moved, but let me burn. Sometimes we're moved, to get a bit fun. Sometimes we're moved, a little hard, a little drunk, to get some love. Long the burns, when there's the night, I'm going out. Long the burns, might not be fun. Sometimes we're moved, when let me rock, yeah! Sometimes we're moved, and this is fun. Sometimes we're moved, and there's so bad. But there's the fool, so outside. On the bunch, when there's the night, I'm coming around. On the bunch, why not be fun? When the walls come down, I run around. When the walls come down, I like the sound. When the walls come down, I miss every time. When the walls come down, I'm nothing my mind. Why not be fun? 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 After the scene we never take the sign of it. Accidental happen everyone is in. The earth through love, the earth through faith. Follow them this way. Where they forget, you know, where they forget, where they forget, These men special things, I just need to see a second chance for this. The break is free. The earth through love, the earth through faith. Where they forget, now here I come. Thank you very much. I want to have a big applause for the man who is still working outside there. Hey, wow. not starting at 5, but at 6 o'clock. So. Do you like this? That song was called Sex. And if you think, why do these guys sing about sex? Yeah. Well, that's because 1 week ago, you ruined Harrie Lee, the bass player. He got divorced. So if there are any single women here tonight, he is available. And there's something else we have to celebrate. It's the birthday of Michel. We're such a happy man. I can't make a nice bridge to this song. much. Yeah, here you are. Thank you very much.
Hey, Harrie Lee, I see some people staring at you. Now they know that you are divorced. And I must say, they're from both sexes, so men and women.
Thank you very much, Harrie Harrie. We practice on that. Run! Okay, this is a fast song for me. Are you guys ready? Run!
song is about Dana, his ex-wife, now ex. But he still loves her a bit.
All the songs are about me.
See the big poster at the beginning of the village.
Yeah.
Who's the guy who made it?
You.
Who made it?
Who made it? Yeah.
After the
No, it's in the middle of the town.
Yeah.
The village. It's in the center of the town, Harold.
But the poster was so big, when we drove into this big city, we were expecting that we play in a big arena, big stadium. And then we were very disappointed, because we don't like playing big stadium. When we came here, we were like, ah, thank God. Nice club, thank you. Actually, it reminds me when I was a little boy.
Yeah, me too. Yeah. That's a long time ago.
This song is called Boy. What to do? Some years later. tribute to one of the greatest bass players. Oh. So, if you're now thinking, oh, what a nice band is playing there. What's their name? It's HARRIES'89. Oh, I really like them. Then you're lucky, because we have nice t-shirts for sale. So you can say to whole Železniki, ah, fuck you, I was there, you're not. Or you steal the poster and hang it up on your booth. No, I'm bored. This next song is called Dobro.
Dobro.
Dobro. This next song is called Discover.
Thank you very much. Dobro.
Unfortunately, we're going to play our last song. Yes. Yeah. Unless you all sing along. The words are very easy.
Yes.
It's called Everything You Know Is Wrong.
What? Can you repeat that?
I don't know, is there a David in this room? No, there's no David in this room? Okay. Is the guy shaking his head? That's not David.
Oh, no. He looks like David. Are you the brother of David? Huh?
Okay.
No. Jokes. Oh, I'm the only one who is laughing then, so that's a little bit stupid.
Thank you.
1, 2, 3, 4. Everything. Very good. Everything you know is wrong. Everything. Everything you know is wrong. Everything. Very good. Everything you know is wrong. So let's do everything. We had a great time. Thank you. Everything you know is wrong. Everything. Everything you know is wrong. Everything. Everything you know is wrong. Thank you very much. Do you want a little song? Do this, yeah? We will just do like we stop and then we come back, yeah? You saw that big poster, that's me. And then what do you want?
Bravo!
That was a very... Do you know what you say? You asked him to marry you. That's what you asked him. Yeah. Okay, this is a song of an old friend of ours whose name is Bilo. Go! Bilo is a friend who has a fun, stopping in his car. Like a man, when he's too gone, who's having fun, who's going back with the same who's there,
Last song, and then we're gonna kiss my balls. Okay. This song is about his bollocks, and the song is called "Kiss His Bollocks." Oh no, it's "Kiss My Bollocks," but because we all sing it, it's our bollocks. Kiss my bollocks, kiss my bollocks, kiss my bollocks goodbye. Kiss my bollocks, kiss my bollocks, kiss my bollocks goodbye. I once had a girl, her name was Sue, then she said to kiss my bollocks, kiss my bollocks, kiss my bollocks goodbye. That's Robert. Thank you very much. Robert and his crew. Thanks, Robert. The people working here. A big applause for them. Big applause. Thank you. And don't forget our friends from Harrie. Nice, we love you. Yes. This long song is... I'm taking you back a long, long, long time ago. The time when you had your first kiss. You remember your first kiss? Yes. He doesn't remember? That's okay, that's okay. But it's, yes, he still needs to have his first kiss. Okay.